Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Friedel-Crafts alkylation, FC alkylation, using CH3Cl UlCl3 generates a methyl carbocation, electrophile, CH3+, that attacks an aromatic ring. The key question is which aromatic ring gets alkylated and at which position. Moving on to the next step. Identify the substrate. The starting material is benzenylide, PHC, is equal to O, NHPH, which contains two aromatic rings. Ring A, the benzoyl ring, bearing the C is equal to O group, which is electron withdrawing, meta-director. Ring B, the anilide ring, bearing the NHCOPH group, where N is an electron-donating group via resonance despite the adjacent carbonyl, making it an ortho-para-director. Moving on to the next step. Determine which ring is more reactive. The NHCOPH group, amide nitrogen, on ring B still donates electron density into the ring through the nitrogen lone pair, making ring B more electron-rich and more reactive toward electrophilic aromatic substitution than ring A, which bears the deactivating C is equal to O group. And for the final step, determine regioselectivity on ring B. The NHCOPH substituent is an ortho-para-director. Therefore, electrophilic attack occurs preferentially at the para position relative to NHCOPH. Para is favored over ortho due to steric reasons, giving a methyl group at the para position of ring B. Product identification. Methylation at the para position of the aniline ring gives N,4-methylphenyl benzamide, which corresponds to option C. A benzene ring bearing NHCOPH at C1 and CH3 at C4. Why other options fail? Options A and B. These show methylation on the benzoyl ring, ring A, which is deactivated by the electron-withdrawing carbonyl group and is less reactive. Ring A would not be preferentially alkylated. Option D. This shows metamethylation on ring B, but NHCOPH directs ortho-para, not meta. Meta product would be the minor product. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.